It's me again, YouTube. This is a new acquisition. This is I think this is one of the original Hoover Linx cordless vacuums. It's in that Platinum Series color scheme. I was not really expecting to get one of these. I've always been kind of intrigued by them, but never really had a use case for them. But this one was, it says $18, but it was on sale at my local Habitat. So I picked it up. I think on sale it was about $15. So not bad. I've been using it a little bit. The only thing that sucks is I think this battery might be good, but it came with two other unbranded batteries and they're both shot. So motor sounds kind of bad, but it's an $18 machine. I'm just gonna use it, and I'm just gonna, when it dies, I'll throw it away and probably get something else. It does actually clean. It's picked up that much in the time that I've owned it, and as much as I've used it, which is not bad for such a little machine. Without further ado, I'm gonna turn it on. Gino, move. So, as you can tell, that battery is shot as well. Other than needing a new battery, which I don't think it's the end of the world. I think I can still find either aftermarket or even some still functional OEM batteries. It's not going to doom the machine, though, because, to replace the battery, if you don't already know, which you should, if you're a vacuum collector, on these Linx machines, there's your battery. Comes out similar to a drill battery, so it's not the end of the world, like on some machines like the Electrolux Ergo Rapido, and I think a lot of the Dirt Devil cordless. So yeah, that's my Hoover Linx. I need to find batteries for it, but aside batteries aside, I think it's gonna come in decently useful. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.